Hi friends, myself Sagar Barade. Currently I am in August batch. Today's date is 8 October and my video topic is Java static keywords. So let us discuss about Java static keywords. So first of all, Java static keyword in Java is used for memory management mainly. We can apply static static keyword with variables, method, blocks, and nested classes. The static keyword belongs to the classes than an instance of classes. So the static can be divided into four parts. So first of all, variable, it also known as class variables. Second will be method, is also known as class method. Third will be block, and fourth will be nested class. So first of all, Java static variable. If you declare any variables as a static, it is known as static variable. The static variable can be used to refer to the common properties of all object which is not unique for each object. For example, the company name, employees, student name of student, college name of student, etc. The static variable gets memory only once in the class area the types of class loading. So basically advantage of static variable is it makes your program memory efficient, that is it save memory. uh, Understanding next one. Second parts will be program of counter without static variable. Let us discuss. So in this other example, suppose an example, we are created an instant variable name count which is incremented in the count constructor. Since instance variable gets the memory, it's that time of the object creation. Each object will have to copy the instant variable. It is incremented. It won't refer other object, such as will we have the value is 1 in the count variable. So let us further discuss about program of counter by static variable. As we have mentioned above, static variable will get the memory only once. If any object changes the value of the static variable, it can be value. So second will be Java static method. If you apply static keyword with any method, it also known as static method. A static method belongs to a class rather than the object of the class. Static method can be invoked without the need for creating instance of class. Static method can access static data members, can change the value of it. So thank you guys.